Everything is ugly. Like, what is this? Ah, these are okay. What is this? Oh my gosh. Look at all of that. So, we're gonna do a major cleanup and organization. It might work out, it might not, but we gonna see. I know y'all been seeing on TikTok, everyone's trying to organize their fridge and stuff and organize, and yeah, so my fridge isn't that cute. Not cute, but it's not that organized. It isn't, and that's what I'm gonna do today. So how is it gonna go? I don't know. I bought a lot of stuff from the container store, and I bought some things to fill up the fridge, because we haven't gone to the grocery store in like 2 weeks, so we're down on that. So let's hope this works out, because if it's ugly, I'm gonna cry. If nothing fits of what I bought from the container store, I'm gonna also cry. Wish me the best. We're just gonna get in this shit. Oh no, let me show y'all. So let me show y'all the stuff I got from the container store. So I have this bag and this bag full of container stuff, which we'll see if it works out or not. Watch it not work out. And not many groceries, just a few. But of course, don't mind my messy ass kitchen, but of course first I have to take out everything from the fridge and clean it, because if not, I'm ugly if I don't do that. So let's do that. Stop, I gotta wash. I'm gonna do that, clean this, and then I'll be back. Well, the fridge is clean, but now the freezer. The freezer is way dirtier. Look at this. So now to clean that. I think I should clean these outside. Easier. Let's go. like a monkey. That's that. That was quicker. I put them back. And now it's clean. Don't mind that. We messed that up. Don't ask. That we will be replacing it. Don't worry. I know it's ugly. Oops. And now this is clean. Beautiful. 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 Now, should I show y'all the container store stuff? Let me show y'all. So I bought these that just go in there. I bought two. Then I bought two of these that also just go in there. I'm thinking of using them for the freezer, but we'll see. Gotta close that. They're gonna be ringing and mess it up. I bought 4 of these that I don't know if they're gonna fit because I wanted them for the freezer, but now that I'm looking at it, it ain't gonna fit. But we might use it for something else. Just depends. 4 of them. I bought 4 of these also. They're small little cubbies. I wanted to see if I was gonna need them for, who knows? I had to turn that light off because it was ugly lighting, just like that one's ugly lighting, but ignore it. So 4 of these little ones. Four of these. I don't know, smallish ones, biggish ones. Two of these long ones. Also for the freezer, at least that's what's in my mind right now, but we'll see. I really like these for the berries. They're small berry bins. And it has like a little, you know, where the water drains. Obviously you're not gonna drain them in here, but ish. And I bought 2 of these Green Saver Waste Less Save More for like the fruit and veggies. I don't know if they work, but I'm gonna try them. That's it. I'll show y'all the floor. Look, that's everything. It is a lot of stuff, but let's hope I can use a lot of it, but we'll see. I'm just gonna speed this up and load that up, and then I'll show y'all at the end. So if y'all just wanna scoop, y'all can, or y'all can watch me fastly put stuff or whatever. Okay, before I start, I'm gonna start with the berries because they might be cute. Okay, now that I think about it, I'm gonna start with the berries, but boy, I'm gonna do the freezer because I don't want anything to go bad. And that's my fridge crying because I left it open. So I got my berries and they are already washed. So I'm gonna grab my berry bin, throw them in there. Oh, these 2 are bad. These 2 are not good. Don't eat them. I'm very picky. Ish. bad. The strawberries are washed and I'm just gonna pour them in here. Make sure they're all good. So, oops, like this is a little bad. I'm just gonna eat it and take that off. This one too. Smells good. Good. Don't worry, guys. I washed my hands. There they are. And guys, wow, tell me this does not look pretty. They glare a lot. How pretty they look. I know you can hardly see. Now we're gonna put them over here. My idea is to have them up here, but we'll see. Okay. One on top of another. Yeah, that looks better. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Okay, now I'm just gonna fast forward y'all till I'm done because I don't know. I just thought this was exciting, so I had to show y'all the berries. But now I think y'all will get bored if I just... So let's start organizing the freezer. finally the moment I had to close this door. We've been waiting for. I've officially finished the fridge. Let's see how it turned out. Okay. Okay, revealing moment. Oh. Now, okay, it's not that impressive, but the drinks are very organized. So are these, our milk, and our other juice back there. These were the berries ones, and I ended up moving them down here. But they look nice and fresh. And my Noosa Mates yogurt. Then down here, these are gonna be the leftovers. You know, you always have leftovers of whatever. And here's the sour cream, the butter. This is gonna be our like tortillas and bagels and muffins type of cabinet thingy. So, oops, that was a struggle. Down here are all of our cheese. Over here is our meats, like our bacon, our ham, turkey, and stuff like that. And I mean, this is pretty basic. Our eggs have always been here, so I just put them back there again. Then these are our sweet condiments, so our jellies and my vanilla extract, and that's basically it. And our chocolate syrup. This I just bought it because I was gonna drink it and I haven't drank it, so I just left it there. Then down here is our salty condiments per se, so like our ranch. Oh, and our salsas actually. And then we move to this side. I don't know why we have so much cream cheese, but we do more. That's just a little garlic butter type of thing. The dates are gonna go here. All of our butter, European butter and unsalted butter. The one over here is our salted butter. Oh my gosh, they're ringing because I've left it open. Then our ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard. I mean, it's pretty organized. Now, look at that. I could have added more bins, but I didn't deem it necessary. Now down here are our veggies and our lemons, I guess. Lots of lemons, lots of limes, lots of different stuff. We don't have more peppers, but they would go there. Then there's that. And yeah, so pretty basic. Then our freezer. So first down here, these are all of our meats. So we have chicken, ground turkey, and let that pass by real quick. Tilapia and shrimp. And then here is our ice cream aisle. Here are ice cream pots and some little ice cream. Yeah. And these, we always have like peppers in the freezer. So they're like dried peppers. So that will be our bin for it. And a lot of frijoles. You already know why. So yeah. And the cubbies are here, you can see. Not cubbies, the little bins. Those really help divide these things. It looks very nice and more organized. Then up here, these are all of our nuts. So we have peanuts, almonds, and walnuts. Then in the middle aisle, we call them our little smoothie packs because we just let it go by again. Our smoothie packs because we just put it in a blender and we make a smoothie literally with all the fruits. They didn't all fit, so that's why that one's up here. Here's our shredded coconut and raisins and stuff like that. And just a bunch of ice packs on the way. And yeah. And that's it. That is it. Well, That took longer than I expected. As you can see, it's 7 and I started like everything started. I think I started like at 1 p.m. Like I went to go buy the stuff, like the containers at the container store, and then I went grocery shopping for like a few things that I didn't have, and the cleaning and organizing took the longest because the shopping took like 1 hour or 2 most. So 4 hours? It's not that bad. Maybe this will inspire you to try and organize your fridge, because now I'm happy with my fridge. It's not the most organized. I know there's people that put everything in containers, but I didn't want to do that either. I just needed it organized per se. So either way, I hope you liked it, my organization. And if you want to know where I got the containers, the description will be down below. The links will be down below, or the description. What am I saying? I will have it listed down below for sure, okay? Whether that's a link or what it is, etc., etc. And yeah, that's it. I hope you liked organizing my fridge. It's decluttered now. I threw away everything I needed to throw away because rude, some things went bad. But low-key makes me feel bad, but I try so hard not to let anything go bad, and when it does, it kind of bugs me, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's not okay, but I just need to learn, you know? Anyways, I hope you liked it again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and to follow all my social media platforms. They are listed on my profile on YouTube. Do you call them profile? I will have them listed down in the description as well. Let's just do that. So yeah, that's it for this video. See y'all in the next one. Bye.